Hey there, Quentin here with EasySEM, and today I'm going to speak to you about ad groups. So within Google Ads, the account hierarchy goes as follows. It goes account level, campaign level, ad group level, and then keyword level. So as you can see, I'm in our test account here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on a campaign. We'll just use this digital marketing campaign, for instance, and then I'm going to click create ad group. So now what an ad group is essentially is it's a theme. So we're going to use motorcycles, for example. We're a motorcycle dealer. We sell various types of motorcycles, right? So we're going to have a motorcycle campaign for our store within California. Okay. And now our campaign is going to be centered around those motorcycles, but the themes of these motorcycles are going to be different brand of motorcycles. So for the first ad group we'll have, and you can have up to thousands of these. I think it's like 10,000 ad groups you can have. We're gonna have, actually let's use Harley because I have it actually pulled up. So let's use Harley Davidson. Okay, that's our theme. What it's gonna ask for next, as far as keywords go, you can put in a URL like I did here. You can click get suggestions, and it's going to bring up all these different Harley keywords that you can go after. Okay, so this ad group is going to be centered around Harley Davidsons inside of our motorcycle campaign. Now if you don't have a URL that you want to use, you can just use you can just type in generic keywords here like motorcycle, or you can type in Harley Davidson for this one, since that is our ad group, and then you can hit get keyword suggestions, and it should pull up different Harley Davidson keywords for you to target. Now some of these are going to be irrelevant because there may be different keywords that aren't motorcycle specific to Harley Davidson, but you'll just have to sift through these and get rid of the ones that you don't want to target. What I'd like to do, create a list of different keywords that you want to target. Let's say that we can do Harley Davidson Heritage Classic, right? Because we want to be as specific as possible with the models that we're able to use. So inside of our motorcycle campaign, we have an ad group just for Harley Davidson, and underneath that we're targeting specific motorcycles. This is what the keyword area would be for. We're going to target specific Harley Davidson models. So we'll do the Harley Davidson Heritage Classic. Now another ad group that we may have underneath this motorcycle campaign would be Honda, right? And then again, we can pull a Honda. We can go to the Honda website for Honda motorcycles, or our own URL, and plug that in to the URL field here and get keyword suggestions. Or we can create our own keywords, so we can use Honda. Another specific model could be the CB1000. Okay, CB1000R. All right, so now we have a Harley Davidson ad group and we have a Honda ad group, and we're just going to go in and do this for all the various themes that we have within the motorcycle campaign. So for this ad group structure, again, our theme, our ad groups are based around brands of motorcycles. So one more for safe measure, we can use Suzuki, and then we would target Suzuki keywords. So you could do Suzuki Katana. Okay, and that's a specific motorcycle. And then we're going to hit save and continue. The last step is going to be creating our ads. You're going to want to put in the final URL that goes to your landing page, and then create headlines and descriptions specific to the ad group theme, which is Suzuki, and the keywords that you have within the Suzuki theme. So this is how you would create an ad group. If you're looking to quickly duplicate an ad group, you can go ahead and select the relevant ad group, hit edit, copy, and then you'll be able to hit the blue paste button. You can paste that in there, and then you can edit the theme of the ad group. You can edit the keywords and everything else that needs to be switched for the specific ad group itself. Depending on the products or services that your business offers, these ad groups will vary. You can use, again, we use brand for motorcycles. Maybe for an e-commerce, you want to target a different product type. What I like to do as well is create ad groups based on audiences. So maybe I have one for females, right, based off of genders. Maybe I create an ad group for males and test different audiences within those ad groups for better control of segmentation. And lastly, before you just jump right on in, I suggest that you sit down, take some time and brainstorm all the different various ways that your business could use ad groups to succeed. There's a lot of different material online that's helpful as well for advertisers that will unlock the power of ad groups. As always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to us at info@EasySEM. We're the leaders in SaaS marketing. I'm more than happy to help you. And until next time, see you soon.